After this girl and her mom brought the viral toy dumplings from Walmart, you won't believe what she unboxes.
Get one. Are you so excited? 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm gonna take the tape off and I can open it.
Wait, do you want to count?
Okay.
3,
2.
1,
Go.
go.
I got a yellow one.
But which one do you have?